Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, why didn't you see me?
I told you I was gonna record. Hi guys.
Hey.
We're in the swap meet.
Swap.
It's his first time being here. My mama's eating, I think. She said she was gonna go eat. So we're just chilling. Making out. I'm just kidding. Or are we?
Not yet.
And I got a haircut. See? And he's trying to break up with me because I got a haircut.
No. Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
We already walked around. There's nothing much. Ah, my ear. Ah. There's nothing much to look around here. It's not me.
Nothing much. Nothing much?
I'll stop it. It's really cloudy, as you can see up there. My eyebrows actually came out good.
Oh, bleak.
And I didn't even clean them up today. I was in a hurry. My mother woke me up. Oh, just letting you guys know, the boyfriend tag is coming up soon. Hi, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's see if he gets all the questions correct. We've been together almost 5 years, so he better get them all correct.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 years. I don't know if we're going anywhere else after this, so we're probably just ow, my ear. So we're probably just gonna go home. Hi, baby.
You're right.
We'll go home. We need to watch the movie because we haven't finished the movie.
Yes.
We were watching, what was it?
Jeepers Creepers 3.
Yeah, Jeepers Creepers 3. Hopefully it's still on Netflix because I haven't even been on Netflix in a bit. My bald spot.
Oh my gosh, you're obsessed with your bald spot.
Like, there's nothing I could do with it.
You could shave it off.
No, because then it's going to be completely bald.
I'll do it for you.
No.
Yes.
No.
We'll wax it. How about that?
No, we need to wax your eyebrow right here.
No, leave it. I want to make it long so I could make a braid and put some beads in it, you know? Yeah.
Hi, babe.
You know it's a good idea.
No. Oh, yes. So I was saying the movie, Jeepers Creepers.
Ah, yes.
Ew!
You don't wipe it on me.
I just did.
Oh. Oh.
So yeah, we're gonna see Jeepers Creepers. We're gonna film the video first, then see Jeepers Creepers, and then probably he's gonna fall asleep because he always falls asleep at my house.
No.
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 Not this time.
Oh yeah, because you're wide awake.
Mm-hmm. Can't breathe.
I'll see you guys later. I don't know if we go somewhere else. Obviously, I'm a vlogger. If not, I'll see you guys home. Yes, I did change. I need a different wardrobe. That's how you say it, right?
Mm-hmm.
For the boyfriend tag slash fiance, because he's my fiance. Soon hubby.
Mm-hmm.
Hubby wubby.
Mm-hmm. Ah.
So yeah, stay tuned. I don't even know if you guys are going to watch this first or the video first. I'll probably combine this video with the vlog for my license, because I will vlog that. I'm gonna pass it, right, babe?
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Like, you looked at me like you better. So yeah. So boyfriend tag, check. I'm doing my makeup. That might be next. So yeah. I love you.
I love you more.
I love you.
I love you.
Good, good.
Good. You better.
Alright, so I'm just gonna put back my sweater that I had on because it was so comfortable. My teeth start coming out. You're looking. Alright. Oi? You heard that?
Yeah.
Bye. So I'm wearing his sweater now. I know. I'm that girlfriend. Here's Nora. Go away. Now we're going to finally watch the movie. No empiezas. And I made some homemade... What are these called?
They're good. Look at your hair.
You're eating my hair. I think they're called chicharrones de harina.
First time.
See, there are.
So I'm eating some. I made some homemade chicharrones, and we're gonna be watching the. What was the movie?
Leo dos.
Jeepers Creepers.
Yeah, Jeepers Creepers Trees.
Oh.
And Nora's. Oh, you're like chewing on my ear. So yeah. Nora, stop. So I think this is gonna be the cut of the video. I know I said that last time. And yeah. I'll see you guys probably on Wednesday, since I am gonna put this one with the day I get my license together.
Ah.
You keep eating my hair.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Alright. Bye.
Bye. Oh, you want them?
He's so mean. Good morning, guys. Today's the day I get my license. Well, today's the day that I take my driving test. Hopefully I pass. I know I'm going to pass. So yeah, I should be getting ready in like a few minutes, seconds, hour, around there. It's like gonna be 8 already, or it's 8 a.m. already. I think I've gone sick because I can't stop coughing for a couple of days already. Ugh. Sucks. So yeah. I'll see you guys once I'm ready. So I'm a little late right now because I got done getting ready an hour ago. And my dad's here, and I'm already gonna head to the DMV to get my driver license. So yeah, just gonna head over there and drive, hopefully pass. I'll let you guys know probably when I get home from the DMV. So yeah, so I'm back home. I didn't pass, but you know what, everything else was fine, but like 2 things, which that's okay. At least I know what I need to work on, and on my next appointment I'll for sure pass, and I'll get my license. So yeah, I'm still gonna upload this. I was not gonna upload it if I didn't pass, but I mean, why not? It's a lesson learned, right? By the way, earlier today I heard footsteps here inside my house. I was home alone and no one was here, but like literally like footsteps. The shit was scary. But yeah. So I'm gonna need to make that appointment soon. So hopefully soon I'll get it up, and I'll for sure vlog that again. Hi Nora.
Hi.
¿A qué venimos a hacer? Cuéntales, cuéntales.
Al open house.
Al open house.
The mic is cool.
¿Qué me vas a enseñar?
Las cosas que hicimos en clase. Y algunos videos.
Y hi, mom.
Hi.
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 Deja la caja aquí. Nomás los audífonos, llévatelos.
Okay.
Look at my makeup.
Me?
Look at my ugly sister.
Ahora, ya vámonos.
I'm gonna eat a hot dog
Un perro caliente.
and water.
Y agua.
And water.
Hasta puse una latija de los jugos para allá. Te asusté si no fuiste a sacar ya ni uno.
Ow! So my mom and sister literally just left me. They're at the bookstore right now, at the book fair. I'm just eating. That's the only reason why I come to the open house, just to eat. Yeah, I'm that person. I'm pretty much just eating a hot dog and a cookie, sugar cookie actually. And I had some stairs. I think because of my makeup. Probably because my highlights on fleek. Yeah. What's cool is that I keep seeing my kindergarten teacher. Yeah. What is that, Nora? What is that?
Son las matemáticas
Unidades.
y otras cosas. Y esto fue el primer año, el primer día de escuela, yo creo. Esa es la verdad.
Ser o no ser, yo soy. Right, Nora?
Sí.
Sí. Heading home. And I got a book. And mommy didn't want to buy me a book. But I'm spoiled. I'm spoiled. Right, Nora? Nora, stop. And she bought me the book. It's a cute little book.
El otro día sí. ¿Puedes hacer una copia
¿Copia de qué?
del libro?
No, why?
I got the book.
So today's my cousin's confirmation day. If you guys are Catholic, you know what I'm talking about. So today's her confirmation, and my mom's already over there at church with her. The whole ceremony thing starts at 6, I believe. So I'm just ready. I did it kind of like a halo. You can barely see it in this lighting. But yeah, with a red lip, wearing this white top and this like blazer. I don't know. With some jeans and hoodies. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna wait. Obviously I'm wearing my hoops as well. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. My dad is working right now at his nursery, and then he's gonna shower, and he showers like real quick. So yeah, it's not much. And then yeah, just pretty much gonna wait. So yeah. ¿Un hilo? ¿De qué?
Para hacer un collar con esto.
No, no tengo hilos. ¿Quieres decir hi?
Hi.
Hi. So yeah. I did film the brow review on the Kat Von D video. So yeah. I'll see you guys when I'm over there. I'm probably going to record a little bit of the ceremony, and then after that we're going to go to my cousin's house. My mom is the godmother once again because she's my cousin's baptism godmother. So yes, I'll see you guys when we're at the church. I'll probably film a little bit, not a lot, and then at my cousin's house. I'm not feeling good, guys, to be honest. I'm not. Why doesn't the flash come up? So we got to the church like halfway.
Really?
Yeah, like we got there exactly when they were doing the Padre Nuestro already. Yeah. So my cousin did her confirmation note today. That's why we're all glam. You guys can barely see it right now.
Come on.
Nora wants to be the star of the show. But look at my highlight.
I have a little bit left, but I really don't like wearing it.
I need to be wearing my highlight.
Wee.
But Nora ruined on this, so she got some of the water. And she like literally like it was a breezy highlight. So now we're heading to her house to eat some food.
And they come back home.
Yes, and then we're going home. So I'll see you guys in a bit. It's okay. So we just ate chicken and rice, you know, Mexicans. And we're just watching Jersey Shore. Bigger the hoops, bigger the hoe. I was gonna say that. Jonathan always makes fun of me for saying that.
My friends get to them and I like putting my hands to them.
Because I said that in one of my videos. I think it was the 50 facts about me. I said that I always wear hoops. And I'm like, you know, bigger the hoops, bigger the hoe. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna end this part of the vlog. I'll see you guys probably Saturday at her confirmation party. So yeah, and I'm wearing Jonathan's sweater already.